Hello students, now we have completed the first unit of our English reader. There are only two topics that we have to discuss in changing times. First one is Give Me a Break and the second one is a poem. The title of the poem has not been given, but both these two topics, first one is Give Me a Break and the second one that is a poem, are based on teenagers situation, about teenagers and the friction that teenagers and parents have for each other, against each other. Okay, there is one more article that you need to read yourself, and what is that? See, the article is Braving the Odds. Braving the odds means to confront with courage. To confront with courage. Here it has been given. Wait student, I am showing it to you. See this one, Braving the Odds. But student, you have to read it yourself. After reading it, you will ask me the question. Okay, so today we'll discuss the question answers that have been given. Students, already I have told you that it is very much important for you to do all the exercises that have been given in your English reader. Okay, and not only once, do it again and again. It will improve your English a lot. Okay, so students, never avoid doing exercises. Please do it again and again, and you will see the difference. You will see the sea change in your English. See, till here we have done. Now see, question I am going to explain. Complete the table taking information from the conversation. Produce evidence from the text. Student, see it properly. Watch the video properly. Okay, because you have to answer these questions. What is being said here? Two table have been given. One is about Pranay and the second one is about his mother. Complete the table taking information from the conversation. You have to fill this table from the text. Produce evidence, and from where you have to take the evidence. Evidence means answer that you have to take from where? From text. Means what are the, you have to write the causes of stress that Pranay was facing because of his parents, and in this you have to write or mention the causes of stress that Pranay's mother was facing because of him. Okay, next question. See, you have to write what he thinks. What he thinks means what Pranay thinks of his father, his mother, his friends. Means you have to tell what opinion Pranay had about his father, about his mother and his friends. Now what she thinks means what was Pranay's mother's opinion of Pranay. Okay, means you have to write what does she think about Pranay, Pranay's friends, her husband. Okay, next. Now you have to write how he feels about himself. How he feels about himself. Who? Pranay. Here you have to say that what he feels. What he feels about himself. How he feels about himself. How he feels about herself, means her mother. Means here you have to write about her mother, Pranay's mother's feeling, that how she feels when Pranay's behave like that. And here you have to tell how Pranay's feel about himself, how he feels about his study. You have to write down. You have to tell that what he thinks about his study. Then in our text we have studied that what he feels that it's going very nice, and his parents don't need to worry about that. What she thinks about his study, and what opinion Pranoy's mother had for his study. Next. Students, never avoid questions by thinking that they are of no use. Many times I have come across the students who say that it is of no use to read English reader book. Never think like that. This is called main book. Okay? It's improve. Once again I am going to say that it's improve your reading, writing and understanding skill. Okay, so please do all the exercises and try to understand it. See, Heart's question. Suppose you come across means meet someone at once, all of a sudden. Suppose you come across a child grappling with the situation, means trapped, grappling with the situation, same situation, similar to that of Pranay. Okay, suppose that you have met with an students who is facing the same situation, that is of Pranay, and decide to extend the best possible help to them, and you decide that you help that guy to come out of that problem. How would you go about mentoring them in such a scenario? Then you have to write what you will do to help that boy. Okay, what you will do, what you will say, how will you convince the student, how will you help him to come out of the problem. You have to write all these things. And student, one more thing I would like to see. When you do question answer, send me answers of one question at a time. So please write the answer of this question and send it to me. Now see, life skills questions. All these are very much important and you should do all the exercises. He has also got a set of high flying friends. You must have remembered who said this? Pranay's mother. Who have a lot of money to spend. My son tries to keep up with the same standard. Laments Pranay's mother. Laments means feel sorry and wails for something. Okay, when you feel extremely sorry for something, then we use word laments. You people must have remembered that when Pranay's mother went for parent-teacher meeting, she tells counselor that his son means Pranay also got a set of high flying friends. Has also got high flying friends means Pranay has a group of friends who are very rich. And what does he do? He also tries to keep up with the same standards, means Pranay wants to maintain the same standards as his rich friends, like his rich friends, and Pranay's mother is very much sorry about that. Now see, peer influence or peer pressure is part and parcel of growing up. Peer influence or peer pressure means effect or influence that teenagers friends have on teenagers. Okay, so during the age of teenagers, teenagers want to be admired by their friends. They wanted to follow them. Means I'm not telling about all the teenagers, but most of them wanted to be like his friends. They wanted to be admired. Okay, this is called peer influence or peer pressure. Sometimes it happens that teenagers get influence by the lifestyle of someone. They wanted to be like this, and in order to that, they just damage themselves. See, peer pressure or peer influence or peer pressure is part and parcel. Part and parcel means that cannot be separated. Okay, integral part of something means essential part of something, part and parcel of growing up, and can be daunting to deal with, means difficult to deal with. It might be difficult to deal with. Constant comparison by parents and teachers, along with the desire to fit in, make children imitate the actions, ambitions, and lifestyles of certain peers. Student, it is being said that peer influence or peer pressure is part and parcel of growing up. All of us know that. Students face peer pressure, peer influence, and if our parents or teachers keep on comparing between some of our classmates or students, then the chances of peer influence or peer pressure grow more. Okay, so you have to write an article on peer pressure, and how, in your opinion, can this situation be handled, how it could be handled. I think, student, first of all parents and teachers just need to shake off the comparison that they usually made with their children or student. It's not possible. We must have remembered that all fingers, even the fingers of our hand, is not equal. So how could it be? At first point is that we must stop comparing our children, our student, and we just admire and appreciate the individual person, their individualization. Okay, this is one thing, students, you will do. Next question I will discuss in next video. Thank you.